In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Miro with Jira. This process is straightforward and will help you enhance your project management capabilities by leveraging the visual collaboration tools in Miro within Jira's structured environment. So let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the left panel of your Jira dashboard. Here, you'll see an option labeled Apps. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you can manage your existing integrations and explore new apps to enhance Jira's functionality. Once you've clicked on Apps, you will need to select Explore More Apps. This step is crucial because it takes you to the marketplace where a variety of integrations, including Miro, are available. Next, you're going to search for Miro for Jira. The search bar makes this easy. Just type in Miro for Jira and the application should appear in the results. Once you've found it, you'll want to start the installation process. This step might require administrative permissions, so if you run into any hiccups, you may need to reach out to your Jira admin for help. The installation process itself is typically quick, and once it's complete, you'll be ready to move on to the next steps. Once Miro is installed, it's time to head over to your project. Navigate to the project you want to work on by selecting it from your project list. This is where you'll be integrating your Miro boards with specific Jira issues. After you've navigated to your project, find and click on an issue to open it. This could be any issue where you think adding a Miro board could be beneficial, perhaps for brainstorming, visualizing a workflow, or tracking progress visually. With the issue open, look for the Apps option located under the issue's name. Clicking on Apps will reveal the apps connected to Jira, including the newly installed Miro integration. From here you will select Miro boards. This action will bring up a menu or window where you can link your Miro board directly to the selected Jira issue. Now you can go ahead and link your Miro board to your Jira issue. This integration allows seamless collaboration. Team members can easily access visual projects in Miro that are related to specific tasks in Jira. Whether it's for a meeting, a planning session, or just general project visualization, this feature enhances the way teams can interact with both tools. And there you have it, you've successfully integrated Miro with Jira, allowing for a more dynamic and visually engaging way to manage projects. Remember, this setup can significantly improve collaboration and project tracking by providing clearer visual context within the Jira environment. Happy collaborating, and I'll see you in the next video.